Let's just say that we are an e-commerce company which sells various items from many sellers. To grow our company, we need to know our customer behavior, which one of the way we will analyze their item browsing history. We have log every time user open a product detail page which contains fields like this. Each record contains item detail and user who browsing detail, including username, city, etc. From time to time, the marketing team wants to create campaign for a certain city. Data processing is quite simple. We just filter the rows by city and find out which category most sold in that city. For example, if the next campaign is for Jakarta city, we only need to take such data subset. Since the marketing campaign might change from time to time, we cannot do incremental load for the data. At night, we pull log data from last 12 months, then filter by city. We currently has few thousand users, so the data size is small. Currently, 12 months data is only around 2 GB, which will easily fit to your 16 GB memory laptop. So you can take the whole data, load it in your laptop, then process it sequentially. We can write a simple Python program to extract the rows by city and load it into analytics database. It takes about 12 minutes to process this 12 months data. You are a curious person, so you want to shorten the time for data processing. So you have an idea. What if you split the data into 12 parts, 1 month each part? Then you email the data and the Python script to 12 of your coworkers and ask them to process. This entire process, including network latency, will take 1 minute for the email to arrive at each coworker laptop. Assuming each month has roughly same number of data, each processing will take about 1 minute. Since each coworkers process in their own laptop, in 1 minute, we will finish processing 12 months. Then, they can send the result back to you. When the result emailed back to you, you need time to download the result and merge them. Let's just say this entire merge processing takes up to 3 minutes. Since network and manual process might be slow, we have additional 1 minute for buffer. So, the overall process now will take 6 minutes. This is still a lot better than 12 minutes. We have around 50% improvement. But this approach is not feasible. First, you need to make sure that each coworker has the same environment to run the Python script. For example, if one of coworker does not have Python installed, then he cannot help you. Or maybe the coworker is busy and can execute the script 1 hour after he receives it. So you need an extra 1 hour to get all the result back and produce the valid subset. And of course, there is non-technical issue, like what if your coworker is not a technical person and don't have idea how to run your program? Or what if they refuse because they are busy? In this case, it will be better to stick on your own laptop and works on single machine.